Come in. Yes, sit here. Tell me. What happened? You look sad today.
Sir, I want to talk, but I don't know how to start.
It's okay. Take your time. I'm listening.
Sir, people laugh at me. When I speak English, they laugh. They look at each other. They whisper. They make faces.
And that hurt you, right?
Yes, sir. It hurts a lot. I feel like my English is very bad. I feel maybe I can never speak.
Look at me. Sit down. Listen to me very carefully. If someone laughs at you, that means you are moving forward. People never laugh at those who do nothing. They laugh at the brave ones. And you are brave. Tell me, exactly what happened?
Sir, yesterday I tried to speak English with my friends. I said, I goes to school. Everyone laughed. Sir, I made one mistake, just one word, and they laughed. I felt so small, like I'm stupid.
And after that?
After that, I kept quiet. I didn't talk anymore.
Why?
Because I thought, if I speak again, I will make mistakes again, and they will laugh again.
Listen, making mistakes is not the problem. Stopping because of mistakes. That is the real problem. And you did not stop. You came here, you want to learn. That is more important.
Sir, they speak fast. I can't speak fast.
You don't have to speak fast. You only have to speak clear. Slow English is better than wrong fast English. Even native speakers speak slowly when they want to be clear. Today we will practice simple English, simple present tense. This tense is used for daily routine. I, you, we, they plus verb, first form. He, she, it plus verb plus s or es.
I always forget to add s for he and she.
Don't worry, we will fix that today, and after today, you will never forget. Say after me, slowly, clearly. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to school.
I go to school.
Excellent. Now say all 5 sentences together.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I go to school.
Beautiful, slow and clear. That is how beginners become speakers. Now let's talk about your father.
My father wake up.
Stop. Listen. My father wakes up. Try again.
My father wakes up at 6 o'clock.
Good. Now your mother?
My mother cooks breakfast. She drinks tea.
Excellent. Now your brother?
He goes to school. He plays football.
Perfect. You are learning fast. Let's talk in English like real people. Hello, how are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I am fine too. What do you do?
I am a student. I study English every day.
Good. Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Nice. What do you like to do?
I like to listen to music.
Beautiful. Your confidence is improving.
Sir, I want to speak like this outside too. But when people look at me, my mind stops. My heart beats fast. I forget words. I feel embarrassed. I feel small.
That means you are human. Everyone feels like that. Even teachers felt this fear in the beginning.
Sir? Really?
Yes, I also made mistakes. I also forgot words. I also felt shy.
Then how did you learn?
One rule, don't stop, no matter who laughs. Now let's practice questions. Do equals I, you, we, they. Does equals he, she, it. Do you like English?
Yes, I do.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I do.
Does he play football?
Yes, he does.
Does she cook food?
Yes, she does.
Very good. Keep going. Tell me what you like.
I like music. I like tea. I like reading.
Good. Now, what do you not like?
I don't like noise. I don't like waking up early.
Now, tell me about your family.
My father likes tea. He doesn't like cold weather.
Good.
My mother likes cooking. She doesn't like loud music.
Excellent. Now we will make your full day routine. Slow and clear, confident.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study English. I talk to my friends. I come home. I eat lunch. I take rest. I do my homework. I help my mother. I watch TV. I read a book. I drink tea. I spend time with my family. I sleep at 10 o'clock.
You're getting much better now. You're becoming fast already. Wonderful. You sound like a real English speaker now.
Sir, today I feel confident. Sir, I feel like maybe I can speak English.
Not maybe. You will speak English. Just practice every day. Listen carefully. People laugh at you today because they think you cannot speak. But one day, they will listen to you carefully because you will speak confidently. One day, the same people who laugh at you will say, "Wow, your English is so good." And on that day, you will smile and say, "I didn't stop. I kept practicing." Say after me, "I speak English every day.
I speak English every day.
I practice every day.
I practice every day.
I learn every day.
I learn every day.
I am not afraid.
I am not afraid.
I am improving.
I am improving.
I will speak confidently."
I will speak confidently.
Remember, English is not a language. It is a skill, and skills grow with practice. Keep speaking. Keep learning. Keep shining.
Thank you, sir, for believing in me.
I believe in you because you didn't stop. And those who don't stop always win. Remember, the path to success is never straight. There will be challenges and there will be moments when you feel like giving up. But every time you push through, every time you keep going, you grow stronger. One day you will look back and be proud of how far you've come. Keep believing in yourself because I believe in you. Now go and show the world the power of your voice.